welcome. JNF House manages several share houses all around Tokyo, and today we're here at the WARABI share house. The share house itself is a 12-15 minute walk to the station. The WARABI house has gone through some renovations this year, so let's go have a look at what it's like. Let's go! Yeah, it's not too bad. You have everything that you need. You have a bed, apparently comes with a brand new futon when you move in. It's got your desk for studying, also a fridge, a storage space, and you've got an air conditioning system as well. Because you'll be spending most of the time in the communal areas or at a Japanese language school or out and about, I think this is more than enough to live a comfortable life in Japan. And it's also very cheap as well. So this is the unisex shower room, where they have like 5 different shower cubicles for them to use. On different floors they have gender specific ones, but on the first floor can be used by both male and female. I think it's quite nice. They've got 5 different cubicles so it won't get too congested, and also you've got hair dryers, mirrors, perfect. Apparently all of the plants in this garden patch are grown by the residents here. So you have things like okra, you have coriander, and once the vegetables and the herbs are ripe, they share it with the other residents as well. It's pretty nice, right?
My name is Victor and I am from Russia. Well, it was, I think, in the first day when I was going to eat. I will see another guys, and one of them, what do you like in Japan? Do you like sushi? No, I didn't eat it. Really? So, it's no problem. There will be sushi in evening. And I was very surprised. In evening was in the cell will be too many sushis. It was wonderful and funny actually. Actually, the most I like the river. I like water, and the river is close. I think just 30 minutes. It's not so far. So the river is wonderful. Of course. We are playing in PlayStation 3 when I have free time. The first time in Nintendo we watch movie together because it's very funny. Olympic Games, watch together, it was very fun. No, it's not so difficult. Actually, it's more a good opportunity to upgrade your Japanese. Yes. Well, on the other hand, I'm a little stupid, so difficult for me. But thanks for Hitoshi and everything here is much more faster adaptation.
名前は安永と言います。このお家については日本人と外国人が一緒に住むシェアハウスで、だいたい日本人と外国人の割合が半分ずつぐらいの割合で、住んでいます。日常的に日本語や他の言語を使いながら言語の交流や文化の交流とかを行っているシェアハウスです。国籍は本当にあらゆる国から、来ていただいてますね。アジア、欧米とは本当にいろいろ来てるんですが、今だとアジア系の方がちょっと多いかなという印象なんですが、いろんな国から幅広く来ています。留学生の方とあと働いている方それぞれいらっしゃいます。比率としては今はコロナで新規の留学生が減っているので今は働いている方が多いんですけど、コロナ前だと留学生の方が多いぐらい結構にぎわっているような感じでした。とてもいいですね。歩いて30秒くらいでコンビニがあって、でまた歩いて数分ぐらいでスーパーがあって、周りにも、病院や市役所やあとはいろんなショッピングをするお店が揃っているのでとても暮らしやすいと思います。あと東京方面へのアクセスもとてもいいです。1人部屋は全部含めて47,000円です。この中に、教育費、水道代、電気代、ガス代、インターネット代 っていうのが全て含まれてます。2人部屋の場合は3万6000円で、これも同じく全て含まれてます。家族、友達、恋人は一緒に住んで大丈夫です。2人部屋とかで一緒に住んでいただくことは大丈夫です。ただペットは、NG です。アレルギーの方とかも考慮してペットは難しいです。シェアハウスの特徴としては、みんな仲がいいです。本当に国籍問わず日本人も日本人以外の国の人も一緒に話したりとかテレビを見たりご飯を食べたりしてますね。あとはそれぞれの国籍の料理を作ってでそれをみんなでシェアしたりとか文化的な交流とかもすごく行われているようなみんな仲がいいシェアハウスだと思います。
Hey, so we spent the day exploring the neighborhood and also the share house, and to be honest, it's really nice. So I actually came to the share house about 2 years ago, and since it's been reformed, it's actually changed quite a bit, especially the communal areas. It's got a very nice, modern, vintage sort of cafe vibe. It's just a great place to hang out and study. It's located near a lot of shops, it's very convenient, and it's very cheap, and the rent is very affordable. If you're interested, have any questions, or if you'd like to see more of these videos, then please let us know in the comments below. But for today, this is it. じゃあね。